What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this Ford Fiesta ST and it's having a Cobra catback system put on it. So hopefully it's going to sound absolutely sick. So as we can see underneath the ST, it looks like this car has been in a crash, as it's got new pretty much everything on the front subframe. We also have a crushed exhaust. That's probably most likely the reason why he's having a new system. We're going to definitely get better flow with that being crushed like that. That's going to be restricting flow. So as we go to the back of the car, we go to the normal big back box, and if we look a little bit down, there is the new Cobra system with improved flow and looks loads better. So hopefully it's going to sound loads better too, and quite a bit louder as well. As it's an ST, you want it to sound a bit loud, don't you? You know what I mean? And with a little bit of persuasion, the ST exhaust is off. Now we can work on this. And in 15 minutes, guys, they have put the new exhaust on. Well, pretty much. It looks loads better now. So we're gonna have better flow and hopefully better sound as well. So let's start it up and hear it. So the Fiesta ST is now done and it sounds loads better, and we've got better airflow through the exhaust as the old pipe was squashed. So if you want, like him, any exhaust work or any mapping as well, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.